Welcome, today in front of me Lenovo TAB 48, and I'll show you how to activate the quick launch on this device. So first you should go to the settings application, and now just go to the display section. Right now here you can see the press power button twice for camera section, and just to quick launch the camera with the power double press to the power button, tap on this switcher, and now we'll try. And as can you see, our camera is activated now. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.